If you're a film collector, especially in the last 5 to 7 years, there's never been a better time to collect this form of media. With the boutique labels, finding these films that were almost lost.
Cutter's Way, Diner, all those movies. Coca-Cola Kid.
Dark and bubbly.
Death by Temptation, Daughters of the Dust, Dungeon has. They're important films that need to be preserved.
I've been collecting physical media since Laserdisc.
But, you know, kind of bubbling around the cauldron was the RCA video disc. They were vinyl.
To have them around, I actually have a library in my home.
I have movies that I have not heard of. That might be the only way I can watch it, is if I actually own that, like, Blu-ray release of something.
And these powerhouses behind these labels, they're doing God's work.
Joe and I's favorite projects are the ones which take a crazy amount of work. Other institutions won't really put the resources or time and effort into actually making them come to light.
Vinegar Syndrome.
Severin, Arrow, Eureka,
Second Sight.
Agfa, all these companies are born of passionate people. I mean, real passion. These are people who love the smell of film.
These are movies that nobody really watched, relegated to punchlines.
A couple weeks later, he sent me a note saying, "Do you have more films of the sort that you're interested in working on?" I said yes.
La Terre, elle était malade.
No one could get the rights.
Actually worse than I expected. There was shit all over the celluloid.
These companies put all of this love and time and attention and money into restoring these films, tracking down the prints.
You aspire to make the best version of the film that's ever been on the market.
I feel so lucky that my films have been restored, that they've been chosen to be restored.
It's a historical project, but also a labor of love, rescuing these films that have been lost to time. And I think the people who buy these films and watch them are participating in that too.
I always have collecting because it's like kind of being a historian.